Wait, are you filming?
Yeah, Kitten Palooza.
Okay, watch this.
You ready, guys?
And keep the camera aimed down there. This is a kitten pile. They enjoy food and human companionship and heaters and climbing up windows and falling off windows. But let's see who we have here. This little fluffy guy. This is Yahoo.
I'm gonna take their heater from them.
This is Toucan Marmalade, or Tutu, as you know. He is the new one here.
Toucan.
Let's see. Come here. Yeah, what was that? This is YouTube.
Oh, hi, hi, YouTube.
He's everywhere. This is Macy. Mr. Macy boy. Out here, people like to come. This is the mother of all these mini kittens. And this, come here. Okay, 1 second. They will come for food. Bing just wandered into the house. But, like I said, they will come for food.
There's Bing. I don't know if you saw him. Bing!
And this kitten, she looks exactly like the mama, but she's actually our
There's
adopted
Bing.
kitty. She's Ivy. And here comes Yahoo, Mr. Fluffy Pants.
And there goes a cat. I don't remember which.
Cat. Ow. Okay. Here. Do some close-ups of this guy.
Is that YouTube? Or not YouTube, Yahoo?
Yahoo. They all have internet names because the mom's name is Google.
Uh-huh.
Google, hi.
Uh-oh.
She
Bye,
looked at
Google.
Ivy and Google together. They look exactly the same, but they're not. Where is Toucan?
It's very cold.
What? Toucan did not come from Google. Toucan just came about a few months ago. And we're trying to cut back on our number of cats, but it's not working so well.
Hi, Toucan.
I'm sorry. Look at, wait. If you close the door, then open it again. Here, can I have the phone?
No.
Out there. Well, that's not working. There's also a cat named Bourbon. That is his amazing name. He is not very people friendly. But the rest of them are. Natalie, is there anything else you need to say to these kittens? Oh, is this Bing? Yes, this is Bing the internet star. He has his own Facebook page called Bing and Friends, where